Watch my human friend turn this mystery art into a giant brick creation. Stay to the end for free instructions. Ooh!
I've got just 3 days before the gallery submission deadline, so I'm gonna have to work an extra 5 hours every day around my day job. Except there are 10,240 tiny 1x1 round tiles, which means there's 10,240 chances to mess this up. Will it turn out bad? Will I make mistakes?
Steve! Stop! I have an idea. 1 piece gets you in. 2 pieces take this to the next level. Let's do this!
Ooh, the losing piece gets destroyed. Public vote decides. Nearly 22,000 clicks, 10 hours a day. 22,000 ways this can go wrong.
Okay.
Sure, the 256 tiles on each of the 40 base plates takes extreme laser focus, but it also takes careful planning. First, we need an image. This is actually one of the toughest steps, because we only have 50 brick colors to work with, and a standard image that can have up to 16 million different pixel colors. I usually generate with AI using Night Cafe, Grok, or Nano Banana, and that way it makes sure it's original. I then edit the colors in whatever's built into Windows until I think it looks cool, and we start moving on to making mock-ups. I built a Python app that sets and crops the canvas, then it reduces the millions of colours down to the nearest match in our small colour palette. And yeah, it doesn't always work. If it looks patchy where there should be a smooth colour, I use a technique called dithering to fake colours that don't exist. I think this can make it look much more professional. And remember, it's going into a local art gallery, so it needs to look legit professional if it's going to be voted for. Sometimes it takes hours of tweaking to get the mock-up just right. We also need bricks, pins, tiles and plates for the frame. At this point you're thinking, we're done, but the screen colours don't perfectly match real brick colours, so it could still look off.
Steve! Oh good. You're right in front of me. I think this one might actually turn out to be good. The prestigious pop-up art gallery community might not laugh you out of town this time. Now get back to work. Or I might just start using my telekinetic powers to mess you up, mobster style. Ha ha ha!
15 hours down, we stick the 40 plates together and it's on to the next piece.
Whispering. Guess what? I messed up the instructions for the second piece. Switched colors everywhere. Steve's gonna waste so much time. Ha ha ha!
We're nearly ready to show you the complete pieces, but first, Ed, quickly tell them about the website.
For free instructions for today's build, check the link in the description, where you can also find precision-engineered sets made in the UK with worldwide shipping, with clear premium feel, step-by-step instructions. First-time builders and seasoned pros can enjoy screen-free time with big value and big variety. Use code WILLITBRICK to save on your first order.
Time for the big reveal.
We finished just in time and submitted both pieces to the public gallery. Yes! Now tell us in the comments which one you think is better. Now let's get Ed's reaction. What's wrong, Ed? You look surprised. Were you expecting something to go wrong? Like I wouldn't notice.
Steve, I can't see. Move me back. I'm too close. I'm sorry. It was just a harmless prank, buddy. I knew you'd make it in time. I promise I won't do it again. Come on, show me.
Denied.
Check the description for links to today's builds and subscribe for more fun.